everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Are you worried someone might access your Facebook? Stay safe. Here are quick steps to lock your account down in 90 seconds. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook. Let's start by changing into a strong password. For that, tap on this three-line menu icon at the top right. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Now tap on this Password and Security section. Scroll down and go to Password and Security and simply change password using this option. Tap on your username and here enter your current password, your new desired password and retype your new desired password. Use a mix of letters, numbers and symbols and never reuse passwords across sites. Then tap change password at the bottom. Now let's go few steps back and discuss about step 2. For that, you need to turn on two-factor authentication. You simply need to choose an authenticator app or SMS code. Third step, review where you're logged in. For that, let's go to Security Check section and tap on this where you are logged in. Choose your username and see where you are and where you were logged in. Log out of any devices you don't recognize. Again, let's go few steps back and here comes our fourth step, login alerts and approvals. Enable login alerts to get notified of unauthorized logins. Choose your username and here turn on login approvals if available. Facebook will ask you to confirm new device logins. Let's go few steps back again. And also make sure the email on your account is secured with 2FA and recovery options are up to date. Add a backup phone number if needed. Also, please avoid clicking shady links. Don't accept unknown friend requests. Keep your phone and apps updated and use a password manager. That's how you secure your Facebook from unauthorized access. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.